Unless and until you get to a point where you're completely running your organization from A to Z with a bunch of robots, you're gonna have people that are gonna be part of your organization. And as we get into this next decade of 2020, the millennials that are around, or even someone that's in their 40s or 50s, regardless of the age of the labor force that you're employing, the biggest notion that is happening now, especially in the US than ever before, is the ability to have freedom and flexibility on when you want to work, where you want to work, and how you want to get the job done. As you're running your organization, as you're running a team of people, regardless of the position, the role that they're playing, you have to constantly be asking yourself, am I providing the most flexibility to this person? Am I giving the most freedom to this person to have the autonomy, to make the decision, to be successful in the position, the job, the roles and the responsibilities and the duties that you've given to them? We are no longer in the 90s or the early 2000s where anybody and everybody's willing and wanting to do anything that you might ask them to do. Now the time, more than ever before, is getting to a point where everybody wants to run the show their way, how they want to run it, when they want to run it. And many times that is awesome, and that is so much more favorable to you as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, because when you give them that flexibility, when you give them that freedom, when you give them that autonomy, it makes them feel alive, it empowers them, and they will take that job, that position, that duty, even to the next level than you had even ever anticipated or expected. So keep that in mind as you're having a conversation with your teammate, whether you do like a weekly, annual, quarterly review, whatever it might be, or just an ongoing basis as you're having a conversation with your associate, with your team member, with your employee. Just keep that in mind, that are you giving them the freedom, the flexibility, the autonomy that they want, that they need in order to be successful in their position. 2020 and onwards, people want to be successful in what they're doing. It doesn't matter where they are on the hierarchy of the organization. Ultimately, they want to feel good about what they're doing. They want to be able to go home. They want to be able to tell their mom, dad, brother, sister, and boyfriend in how happy and excited they are when they go to work, when they're leaving work, when they're at work, when they're doing the job description that you've given to them. And a lot of that comes from you taking a step back and putting the autonomy, putting a little bit of a control onto their plate, and watch your organization go to the next level that you've never even imagined ever before.